Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Grime and Punishment. Written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Meanwhile...
What's this?
City's third largest lunch bag and gift shop. Saltwater taffy. Living spray.
Ooh.
Warning, please do not spray this giant lunch bag with living spray. Now available in our gift shop.
Crud's motor brain gave him good idea.
Chapter 9. The lunch bag of Motor Brain.
Crud steal living spray. Now Crud unveils secret plan in Crud-O-Rama. Ready? Crud read label carefully. Living spray. Bring stuff to life. Crud shake can vigorously. Crud spray bag thoroughly.
Me, Munchy! Munchy hungry!
Is that so? Then let's eat!
Munchy thirsty!
No, Munchy! No drink nuclear juice! Get bellyache!
I'm thirsty now!
Munchy! Run to pond over there! Drink up water from pond over there! Run, Munchy, run!
Meanwhile, at the pond over there... Okay, class. Who knows what an adverb is? Oh! Someone besides Melvin this time? How about you, Molly?
An adverb is, it's like, a word that describes stuff?
Could you be more specific?
Like thingies and stuff?
Please! Alright, Melvin. An adverb is a word or phrase that modifies, quantifies, or qualifies a verb, adjective, or other adverb, expressing manner, place, time, frequency. Okay, thanks. That's great, Melvin. Now who can use an adverb in a sentence? Oh! Alright, Melvin. I am as smart as a locksmith! Okay, but where's the adverb? Run, kids, run! Run! Jump! Adverbs! Run quickly! Jump high! Run surreptitiously! Chapter 10. ADHD Power. Meanwhile...
Well, folks, it looks like we are all doomed. Crud is on the loose, Munchy is attacking, and the good guys are heading to jail.
Hey, where are all the TV cameras at? Shh!
Anyway, who will help us in our hour of need? Who will answer our cry?
Who will rise up to defeat the tyranny of our oppressors?
Meanwhile... And now he can barely stand up!
I think you made his head too big.
Oh, really? Gee, thanks, Professor Obvious.
Did you get your centimeters and millimeters mixed up again?
It's not funny! I worked really
Hi, ADHD. What's up, buddy?
We have a door, you know! Do you understand what he's trying to say?
Not really. We can't understand you, ADHD.
Huh?
Wow! Vroom, vroom. Oh, I get it. Idiot C was trying to tell us that a giant lunch bag came to life, and our friends are all in trouble.
He could have just drawn a picture.
Come on, Papa. Let's go save the world.
Oh, alright. Hey! What did I tell you about using the door?
Well, you used the door that time.
And so...
Hi, Molly. Hey, guys. What you doing? I'm trying to save Flippy with my super psychokinetic powers, but I'm not strong enough. Maybe we can help.
Oh, I get it. You're Mr. Love when everything is going well, but when something bad happens, you suit up and fight.
What's Wally talking about?
My name's not Wally!
I know. I just like calling you Wally.
I'm talking about Dr. Love here. All he cares about is love, love, love. But when he comes face to face with pure evil, then the claws come out. See? I told you hate is important. Only hate can defeat hate. Hee hee.
Maybe Wally's right. Yeah, maybe. Hey, let's find out. Are you ready?